東京ナンバーワンまでそば。
Kenya Kokoro is known for their masesoba. Masesoba means mixed noodles. Please enjoy the umami flavors of our masesoba and some yakitori and kushikatsu.
Kenya Kokoro is the world's best mazesoba. Hope you enjoy.
本日、こうして、マニラ3号店を迎えられることを心から嬉しく思います。I deeply appreciate for the opening of a third 麺屋心 branch in Manila。私たち麺屋心は混ぜそばという新しいスタイルを世界中の皆様にお届けすることを目指してきました。そしてマニラの皆様に改めて心から感謝申し上げます。
You can visit us at our newest branch here in Gallery 7 along A. Mabini Street, San Juan. We are also located at Uptown Mall BGC and at the 5th floor of Podium.
Come visit us. Miyakoro San Juan.
Please come and enjoy the world's #1 masesoba only at Nenya Kokoro.